This is the Gummy Bear Experiment.
In this experiment, we will be showing osmosis, which is passive transport. What is passive transport, Maya?
Passive transport is when the molecules move from a high to a low concentration within the cell membrane.
The phospholipids and proteins are also very helpful.
This requires no additional energy.
Currently, we are placing 5 different colored gummy bears on a paper towel.
Make sure to gather all the needed materials in this experiment so that it can go a lot smoother and easier.
Next, place a gummy bear on the scale. Record its weight in grams on the data table.
This will help us later in the experiment to see if there's any change with the gummy bears.
Now we are going to measure the length, width, and height of the gummy bear in centimeters. This is important because osmosis is when solvent molecules, which is water in this case, move from high concentration to low concentration. Theoretically, this means that after the experiment, the gummy bears should be expanded in size.
Right now we are filling up 300 milliliters of water to put in the shallow pan that we have for our gummy bears to show this osmosis process. Now we are going to put each gummy bear into the water for about 20 minutes and observe it over time so we can see the transformation and if osmosis has taken place. Now it's time to wait for 20 minutes. Now we are going to wait the 20 minutes for osmosis to take place within the gummy bears. Since this is a time lapse, you can see that the gummy bears are expanding and they are getting bigger as time goes on.
This diagram is showing osmosis within the gummy bears, with the concentration moving from high to low within the water.
After we waited 20 minutes, we put each gummy bear on the scale to weigh it. When weighing the gummy bears, we noticed that osmosis did take place because each gummy bear rose in their weight in grams. Within osmosis, this is showing passive transport, and passive transport is when the molecules are moving from a high to a low concentration, which is what we observed with the gummy bears. Thank you for watching. This is the Gummy Bear Experiment showing osmosis.